Hello guys, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot this kind of error. In some cases, when you try to run your domain name in a browser, at times it brings such message, and at times this message is not viable to users because someone is going to be scared off from your website. Reason being, it's bringing an alert message that your connection is not private. And when you try to look up here in the URL, you're seeing that they're showing that the website is not secure. So today I'm going to show you how to install SSL certificate using cPanel. So what you're going to do, first of all, you have to make sure that you have logged into your cPanel, as you see here. So here I'm already logged into my cPanel. So what you're going to do after logging into the cPanel, what you will do, you will go to the section that has SSL. So on your right here, as you can see, under general information, I have here SSL/TLS status. So I'm going to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to load our section for SSL/TLS status. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to run auto SSL. So I'm going to select my domain name. It is 𝗙𝗵𝘁consult.com. Then after you go ahead and click on run auto SSL. So when I click on run auto SSL, as you're going to see, it is running the SSL. So you have to be a little bit patient, like you wait for like 1 minute or 40 seconds for the process to finish the installation. So they're installing the SSL certificates. Yes, and once the installation is complete, you'll have a message, as you've seen, that your SSL have been successfully installed. And when you try to look here, you're seeing, let me try to load the same website. This is the same website. When I try to refresh, as you're seeing, wow, when you refresh, you're not going to have that error message that was appearing here. Now it will show that your website, it is what? It is secure. So guys, that's how you're able to install SSL certificate using the cPanel. And hope this video you have gotten something. What are you waiting for? Share with your friend, like and comment. I would like to hear where you're watching from. God bless you.